My son is obsessed with cars and he asked me to make him a Tesla logo, so I'm going to digitize and embroider this Tesla logo I found online and turn it into a magnet patch. Let's try and do a test stitch of this Tesla logo. This is for practice and demonstration purposes only. So yeah, I just want to practice my digitizing skills and see what it looks like, what the file looks like stitched out. So I powered on my machine. I have my USB file transferred to my USB, inserted into the USB port. Going to touch the screen. Everything will move, so it's going to warn you. Okay, and over here is a USB symbol. You're going to want to touch that to access the USB. And I'm going to go down until I find my Tesla logo. And there it is. I'm going to press, oops, that's not what I want. Good thing it didn't work. Size. And I'm going to make it as big as I possibly can. So keep tapping until you hear a double beep. There we go, see that? And then I will press OK and set it. I'm going to trace it out here by pressing this trace button. And I already have my fabric hooped and loaded, ready to go. And there we go. Okay, oh, I did not thread my needle yet, obviously, but I do have some white thread here on the top. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah, I'm gonna do a background that's white since my fabric is black, and then I'll do stitching in black. That's what my son wants. He wants black and white Tesla logo. So I'm going to thread my machine and then we'll be right back. On me that you may want to see how I do it, but basically you follow the directions on the machine. You're going to loop behind here. There's a little hook over here. Go down, go up, and then go back up here, go down. Make sure your presser foot is up when you're threading your machine. There's a little metal hook over here, back here. I don't know if you can see it, if even I can see it, but there's a little hook here, and then you hook it behind there, up here, here, in between there, and then cut it off at the end. Push down the lever and it will make something that looks like this, a little loop. And you can use your scissors, your fingers, tweezers, whatever. You're gonna pull this thread out. So now your needle is threaded, and push it to the back. I like to just kind of tuck it under like this into the back, and then put your presser foot down, and then it's ready to go. And let's just make sure everything's clean here. Then back to this screen, you're gonna press OK after you trace, and press, what does that say? Empty. Oh, that says embroidery. Duh. Okay. And then it'll show you your steps here. And it'll show you your first color. Now, when you digitize, you decide in real life what color you want it to be. Like, I can see that color matches the background, but I want it to be white and not whatever color that is. So I put in white thread, and it's going to take 23 minutes. Wow. In total, 34 minutes. 23 minutes for the first color, 11 minutes for the second. So I guess there are only 2 steps, which is cool, but really long ones. So I will do like a hyperlapse or cut in and out to show you the progress. So everything's set. Let's just get going. Alright, I'm just going to press the go. Green means go. Here we go. Green means go. Can you see that? Where am I touching? Okay, green means go. Let's just get it started. Okay, I took a little lunch break and I turned off my machine. I turned it back on and it will save your place. So if you're ever worried about power outages or something going on, it will save your place. I can also make a separate video on how to go back stitches or go back steps or go forward steps. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a video tutorial on that. In the meantime, I'm gonna just press start and let's get this patch finished up. Here is the finished Tesla patch. I think it came out super clean, super neat. Let's take a look and see. Okay, so there are some jump stitches I need to cut off, but overall pretty clean stitches. Yeah, let me just clean this up and then I'll show you the final result. It's gonna be hard to see the satin stitch there a little bit, but looks like there may be some pulling. I may have to adjust the pull compensation. But overall, for my first try digitizing this file, pretty good. Okay, let me trim this up. I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the final result. I couldn't get some of the jump stitches like that one up here, and this one here, and that one there. I'm gonna need help to get those. And these ones in between here and the E. But, you know, from far away you can't really see them. At least I can't. So, yep. I'm going to attempt to cut this out and make this into a magnet. So, yep, I will show you what this looks like on the fridge when it's complete. But yeah, really clean, really neat. It has a sheen, like a shimmer that embroidery thread has. Looks so cool. Okay, it'll look better when I can take it out of this hoop and cut it out. So yeah, be right back. Oh, I forgot to show you the back. Just wanted to show you how clean the back is here. No bunching, no nesting, no craziness. It's just super smooth, super clean. And then I have tearaway stabilizer. So there we go. And then I'm going to cut this out and show you how I turn it into a magnet. Okay, so here is the patch cut out. Doesn't it look good? Oops, that's the backwards. Here's the patch cut out. It looks good. It's probably the cleanest I've ever cut out a patch without destroying the satin edging. But it's still pretty not that great because, yeah, I'm super blind. But yeah, I think it looks great. So last step is to just cut a strip of magnet tape. And you just take off this sticky layer, protection layer. I'm just gonna stick it right into the middle here. Close enough, good enough. Okay, and just press it on, and then we can stick that on the fridge. And it's ready to go. And if you do decide to want to sew this onto a piece of clothing or whatever, you can just peel this off. So yep, cool. Put it on the fridge?
Yeah.
Over here, please. Thank you. Let's move it in the center so I can see. Oh, wow. I think it looks good. Do you like it?
Yeah. When you play something on it.
Sir, can you do that later? Thank you. Anyways, here's the finished product. Make sure to subscribe, thumbs up this video, leave a comment down below. Let me know how I did. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.